Hello, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to find your likes on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here. You need to go to Likes tab, and this is the section where you can see every single post that you have ever liked. And one note that this tab is only visible for you now since 2024. Yes, because X platform set this tab as private and no one can access that, even your followers. Essentially, to prove that, I can show it to you that no one can see my likes tab. To do this, I need to switch to my another X account and go to my previous X account that I have just showed you. And as you can see, if I scroll here, it doesn't even scroll because I have no function to go to my likes tab on my profile. So yeah, it's completely invisible for another users. So that's basically how you can find your likes on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.